All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started on step 404. First we need to do is go ahead and check and make sure that our environment is set up and we're good to go. So we'll go ahead and we'll check our local host, make sure we know our last branch was 403. We want to check it out, make sure that we're good, make sure that you have your master checked out, and just go in and make sure we're starting clean. We have no errors or anything like that, and that looks good. So let's go ahead and check our control panel. We have that open. We're good to go there. Next thing, we'll make sure that we have our GitHub pages open, and that all looks as it should, which we should have our 403 branch up there. And we're on master. We have our notes, and I believe we're good as far as that goes. So after that, we go ahead and check our GitHub pages. And GitHub pages is just another checkpoint for us. Might as well take advantage of it when we see it, and that we have it, and go ahead with that. Now we want to check our production site, make sure that everything's looking good on that. And it looks like we are. I think we're throwing an error there just because of favorite icon, but we'll go ahead and refresh that. Take a look at that. Awesome. We did click events and we loaded our content there, and so from there, let's go ahead and let's study our objective, what we're going to do, what's different now in 404. So in 404, we're loading our page, we're getting everything ready. We are looking to clean up some code in this step. We'll see that as we go. When we submit, we can see that we're doing something a little different in here. What we're actually doing is we're learning about arrays in this lesson, and so we're using these arrays to basically just load quotes over here, and then call those quotes up on the click event. And we're doing it all through using the indexing of the array, as we're learning about in this lesson, which is, it's pretty cool, pretty exciting stuff. Arrays are a big part of JavaScript, and we leverage them quite often to be able to achieve our goals. Awesome. So at this point, let's go ahead and let's take a look at Dreamweaver. Let's first look at our branch. We know our branch is good. We're on master. Then let's go ahead and make sure we can connect to our web server, which we are. Remember, all this is because we don't want to have to do it later while we're coding. All right, cool. So at this point, I think we're ready to go into our Cmder and run a git status. Make sure that you're on in your 4xx project, on your master branch. We have one commit which is ahead of the branch, which that is just Dreamweaver notes. So we're okay there. We're good with that. And next thing we want to do is go ahead and take a look at our branches. And we can see we have all our branches up to 403. We do that just to make sure we don't go try to create a new branch that's already there or something of that. So now we can go ahead and do git checkout -b to create a branch, and we're going to do 404-0. And there we go. We got our branch checked out. Click get status. Looks good. Come over to our Dreamweaver, and we can see that we have our 404 branch checked out. So we are ready to go. I will see you in the next video.